Wicker House is a playful contemporary house, featuring high-quality natural materials and bright, airy interiors with intermittent splashes of vibrant color. The structure features open views of water and greenery while ensuring privacy through screens, drawing inspiration from rattan. The architecture is suited to modern tropical living, with open, spacious interiors that still maintain privacy for the homeowners. On its facade, Wicker House features tall white screens that filter sunlight through themselves while simultaneously providing privacy to the bedrooms within, keeping the house cool even in intense heat. Along the living, dining, and dry kitchen areas on the first story, sliding glass doors span the walls, opening to a scenic pool and deck to induce natural ventilation. The feature staircase boasts a wall of white bricks imported from Australia, spaced neatly to create gaps that allow air to flow freely from end to end. It simultaneously acts as a filter for light, creating dynamic shadow patterns in the neighboring dining and dry kitchen areas. At the homeowner's request, the material palette was crafted thoughtfully to use natural materials. The first story features terrazzo flooring and onewood ceilings, complemented with light oak furniture. Rattan is also prevalent throughout the house, used in furniture, but also inspiring the form of the metal screens and staircase wall with regular patterned holes. In various rooms, splashes of color create dynamic visual interest, complementing the playful, laid-back attitude of the homeowners. The kitchen features sky blue cabinets, the pool deck features burgundy deck chairs, and the bathrooms feature vibrant colored tiles in shades of jade and coral. Together, these enhance the free spirit embodied by the home, complemented by the natural light flooding every living space.